Moving on now, the Epstein file saga is far from over. Now, US Department of Justice is facing flack for heavily redacting the released dossier on disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein. According to the latest developments, Democrats are giving serious consideration to legal recourse as a way to ramp up pressure on the DOJ for allegedly covering up many details in the released files. Senate Minority Leader has called on the Congress upper chamber to sue the Trump administration over the heavily redacted files. Chuck Schumer said he will introduce a resolution directing the Senate to undertake legal action against the Justice Department. Now, this decision comes after Trump administration failed to release the entire dossier on Jeffrey Epstein and instead released what Attorney General called the first phase. Effectively, this breaks the Epstein Files Transparency Act, which US Congress passed and Trump signed into law last month. The Trump administration, on the other hand, has justified the information withheld as a protocol to protect victims.
The statute also requires us to protect victims. And so the reason why we are still reviewing documents and still continuing our process is simply that, to protect victims. So the same individuals that are out there complaining about the lack of documents that were produced on Friday are the same individuals who apparently don't want us to protect victims.
DOJ also addressed allegations of purposely redacting a photo of Trump included in the released cache of files. The evidently absent data on Trump in the dossier has not been unnoticed, especially by congressional lawmakers from the Democrat camp. The photo showed a desk with an open drawer containing a photo of Trump with various women, which was flagged by the Southern District of New York for review to protect potential victims. It was part of thousands of documents related to Epstein, a convicted sex offender who died by suicide in 2019. American citizens have expressed disappointment over the underwhelming release, while others say the files do not convey more information than what is already in the public domain.
Obviously, some of the famous people we knew have been pictured with Epstein. We already know of their relationship, so that hasn't really changed anything. But it hasn't answered the length of what has been going on behind the scenes.